I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my thumbnails. So if you guys want to see how I do it, then just keep watching. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go up to Design and Blank Canvas. I am on PicMonkey and all of these should pop up, but the one that I'm going to need is YouTube Thumbnail. Then I'm going to open it and you should get a blank canvas like this. You can always add your own stuff to it. So this is just the basic edits. So this is where if you have a picture, you're going to edit that picture. But I need overlay. So I'm gonna go into overlays and I'm gonna go up to add your own. And it should look like that. Now the one that I used is this. This is the original color in it. A lot of blues, orange, pinks, and yellows, and a little bit of greens. But I changed the color to purple and blue. So the black on the overlay spectrum over here is going to be black is the original. And then whatever colors you move it to, it's going to change the color. So I moved it to the blue. And then I just went over to text and added a text. I used Princess Sophia and typed in spring makeup look. Then I went into effects in the text, went to drop shadow and changed the drop shadow to white so that way it popped. Then I went to overlays and went into doodly accents and went down to this one. I changed the color to this teal color because I like the color, so it looks good. So once I feel like it looks up to what I like, then I'm going to go to another not doodly, but I'm going to go to another accent and go down to the daisies, and I'm going to add some daisies. So I really like this daisy. I feel like a pop of pink would look cute. So I'm just gonna add some pink ones. I know turning them doesn't really do anything, but I feel like it does. So yeah, I mean, you don't have to, but yeah. So at the end of it, this is what it should look like. I'm happy with it. I like the way that I make my thumbnails. Everybody is different with doing their thumbnails. A lot of people use pictures, or not pictures, but like screenshots from their videos for the thumbnail. And some people do this. I like this. This is what all my videos look like. All my thumbnails look like, so I really like it. And yeah, so if this was helpful to you, please let me know down in the comments. Please let me know if you like videos like this where I show you how I make my thumbnails, and I can show you how I make my banner. I had to learn from a YouTuber how to make a banner, but that's the wonderful thing about YouTube. You can look up anything and learn from it. So that is all I have for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.